the whole operation. Over here, like what we make soup, sauces, all the roasting things we make over here. And the other part is we have these two complimentary restaurants where we serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. So both of them are complimentary. One of them is GP, another one is Alizad. The breakfast what I serve is more than 800 some days. It depends on the guest count. If I have more guest count, somewhere 2,800 or something, I go more than 800, 900 covers for the breakfast. My lunches are not that busy. Most of you guys like to go on the pool deck. So I still make 300 covers. But my dinners are massive.
Yeah.
Dinners are somewhere around 14 to 1600, combining both the restaurants. So 1600 restaurants. Like, for example, I serve more than 800 steaks a day. The New York steak, 800 steaks a day. So that is my average. That is my average. Like if I'm feeding 1800 people, that is my average for one item. That goes that way.
Wow.
Okay, same like unlike other cruises, in NCL we don't have anything packet food. We start everything from scratch. All the sauces, soups, what we make, it's on board. Only two things we get in packet, and that one is mayonnaise and scrambled eggs. Hello guys. So only two things what I get is mayonnaise and scrambled eggs. That's in packet. Apart from that, everything we make from scratch. Like if I have to cook tomato sauce, it takes me more than 6 to 7 hours. So the more you cook it, the less sour you get. You don't have to add no sugar. Same thing like what we have galley over here. We have a couple of more galleys. There is one galley on deck 3. Like when you go ahead, you will find out that one. So there is one galley on deck 3 which prepares food for Garden Cafe. There is bakery and pastry on deck 3. So over there they assemble everything and then they give to the substation. Same like this, we have all specialty restaurants. Italian, French, steakhouse, Modeno. These people do the same routine what we are do, but in a small batches. But everything what they make is from scratch. So guys, before we wind up, very important information. If you guys are allergic or anybody from your group, your friend circle who is cruising, and if they are allergic to anything, literally anything, let your server know in advance. Because what we do over here, we have a separate team who cook food for them. Like if you are intolerant to lactose, dairy, gluten, peanuts, tree nuts, fish, shellfish, black pepper, white pepper, peppers, anything, you name it. If you have any allergy, we make food separately for you. The only reason we have to make separate because we don't want to mix the things up. Because some of the time, some of the people, they take a pill and they are good to go. But the other ones, they turn straight lobster. So we don't want to ruin anyone's vacation. Okay? And the next thing is like when you go back home, you will have this feedback thing. So feedback, it is not only regarding the service, it is regarding everything. How were the shows? How you enjoyed your cruise? These are the things you want to get implemented. So it's gonna be, the thing is cool for us, so we can understand where we are lacking or where we have to improve, or what are the standards we have to keep up. So that is the thing. Any questions for me? All good? Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you.
Watch your steps guys while you walk down my galley because it looks dry, but we guys are not wearing the safety shoes. So, photos.